Hey guys, this is the Bodacious Body Wave lace front wig from Femi S here. This wig is currently 180% density at 20 inches. We also have 130% and 150% density options. Also, if you do prefer to have an HD lace instead of a transparent lace, read the description below, and we also offer HD lace options as well. But currently this is a lace front body wave wig with transparent lace, and the hair was curled using a curling wand.
Just how amazing and luxurious this hair is. You can see how it moves. I mean, it doesn't get any better than this. Again, this is a lace front wig. It is with transparent lace. As you can see, it has a lot of bounce, no tangles, also minimum shedding. I'll show in real time. There's no shedded hairs. I didn't catch any shedded hairs in my hands. So again, this is a 20-inch, 180% density body wave lace front wig from Femi S here. If you have any questions, you can email me at hello@femieshere.com. Also, let me take the wig off so you can see inside of it. But again, this is a lace front wig. So you see the laces all in the front. You have 3 combs inside and a comb in the back. You also have the adjustable straps in order to tighten the wig around your head. So this is the wig right here. So if you want a closer look, and the hair is shiny, it's luxurious. This is the back of the hair. You want to get a better look.